They claim to whiten your underarms. I'm going to show you my underarm. This is how my underarms look like. Sorry, Milcu.
Who got the power?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Will be a short film. Today, I hope you're all doing great. As you can tell from the subtitle, yes, I'm going to show you two products with one brand, and they claim to whiten your underarms. So without further ado, let's get into it. I know some of you have seen the video regarding for this product and review, and I got a little interested because I purchased one product without the puff, and when I went back to the Philippines, they also have the puff one, which is more easy to use. This product will help lighten your underarm, help to control your excessive sweating, hyperhidrosis, and lastly, prevent body odor. So we want all-in-one in a cheaper amount. And the product that I'm talking about, none other than Milcu 2-in-1. It's the underarm and foot powder. It's a powder deodorant, and it has 40 grams for 61 pesos in Watson. And by the way, guys, this is the product of the Philippines. So this is what the product looks like. And once you open, it came with a seal. So it only have two ingredients in this product, which is potash alum, I think it's the tawas, and hydrated magnesium silicate. The application is how you can use this one: after bathing, dry your underarms or your feet, then apply the Milcu powder. May also be sprinkled inside shoes, shin guards, and other sportswear. So Milcu is all natural, mild, non-sticky, non-darkening, does not stain fabric, it provides protection, it also controls excessive sweating, and also help prevent body odor. So I'm also going to open the tab for you to show you. Actually, I'm using the other one from Milcu, which has the puff one, and I'll show to you later and compare it the two. Oh, hirap. Okay, I think there. So it's like a baby powder. So it looks like a baby powder that's very fine. One thing that I noticed is if you use this Milcu powder, it's a kind of messy because it will be sprinkled all over your bathroom area or in your room area. So I prefer you to transfer it to a empty container, and you can buy any puffing cushion, any powder puffing in a drugstore or in any supermarket, because it's easy to apply it and you won't waste any product. So there's one more product from Milcu, is the Magic Puff. It's the Magic Puff. I was shocked because I never seen this Magic Puff before in Watson. Maybe it's only in some stores, or you can also get it in Amazon. They're also available in Amazon. Yep, they are available. You can also get yourself in the grocery or in any beauty store. So once you open the box, it came with this white tube, and it says here Magic Puff, Milcu Magic Puff, and it's also 40 grams. I have one in the bathroom, but when I open it from our luggage, it's all over. Oh, yep, it's all over the puff there. Oh, so young. One of the cons of the powder, the Magic Puff, is more convenient and it's less messy than the other Milcu product, which is from the powder bottle, this one. So versus the two, they're both Milcu, so both products do the same effect for your underarms. And if you're asking me which is good, I prefer you go with a powder puff, which is more easier because they have a powder cushion where you just puff it on your underarms and you won't waste any product. Unlike from this one, it's also on the cheaper side. This is 61 pesos. If I convert it into US dollar, it's around about $2, and this magic puff is 109 pesos. If I'm going to convert it into dollars, it's around 2.50 to $3. So this is my final thought for this Milcu product. As the indication says here, it controls your excessive sweating. So my final thoughts with Milcu powder, it says here, and it claims that it also controls your sweating. So it's not antiperspirant if you do heavy works or you go outside and it's really humid and it's hot. Sorry Milcu, I still sweat. So you're claiming it will control your sweating? No, it doesn't help. My underarm, as I said before, I've been using this one. So this is my first time to use with a puff. So that's the end of my review and thoughts regarding the Milcu powder versus the Milcu magic puff. It's the same, but if you have excessive sweating, it will not work. But price wise, it's more natural, which is Milcu is all natural and safe. Only have 2 ingredients inside. If you try these products, please let me know down the comment below. And so there you guys have it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Who got the power?
My turn. I make this